Hello guys, good morning guys. One second, give me 1 second. Sorry guys, something went wrong with my mic. How does it sound right now? It's okay? Now, good morning guys. Your target is London High. Yeah, let's see. So seems like we inside unicorn setup. We got 5-minute OB on both yes and NQ. Also, we got 5-minute untapped fair value gap over here. So I'm looking for if my trace and if it's going to stay above this mean threshold of order block for inside fair value gap, it may actually pump because it seems like we have low resistance to upside, right? I took short on CL already, posted execution on my Twitter. I missed this trade, or gold, I'm so sorry, gold. I missed this trade and it's actually easy to explain why. Not really miss this trade. I cannot say like I missed this trade. It was tricky trade. I saw this in real time. So I saw this SMT between gold and silver, and obviously nothing happened on hourly and 30-minute chart. I was like, silver is about to offer good short, gold kind of tricky. I saw this in real time. I even highlighted this in real time, but I was like, probably I will stay away. But we got a 3-minute order block, SMT between silver and gold. Actually was like nice, but in real time it seemed like tricky. So I took the trade on CL. I already was in this trade, so I was like, I'm in trade already. Maybe I'm not going to take it. But idea on gold was interesting because we got exactly same setup on silver. Yeah, see this? on silver, but I was looking for short on gold, and gold, in my opinion, didn't offer like high probability short. But once again, in hindsight, it's really nice. But in real time, it was like kind of probably I will stay away. So, but I just saw how it just went all the way down to my target, just straight move up, straight move down with zero drawdown. I mean, like, what? What? It was exactly, I agree with you. So in real time, it was hard. That's why I didn't take this. In hindsight, it looks like easy, but when I saw this like this, give me 1 second. It didn't look so obvious, honestly. I highlighted this and was like, probably I will look something for short, but once again, in real time, it was 50-50, in my opinion, even with SMT. You got by. Oh, you got. Oh, that's nice, actually. So I prefer to sleep during London. Good morning, guys. But happy with this trade, so got my 80 cents, no complaints. Actually, I'm doing giveaway every day. Once we hit 400 likes, I do giveaway. So early? Yes, from last week, I started my live streams at 8:50 a.m. So yeah, it's going to be 8:50 a.m. every day. What I want to say. This week, I will post new video. It's not going to be about any strategies, models. It's going to be about 3 indicators that I use for in my trading. So I will attach all links. I will attach screenshots how I use this, explanation of each indicator, and once again, it's going to be free. Just will share my indicators, not my indicators that helps me in trading. So once again, it's free. If you don't like to use indicators, just don't watch this video. People who trying to make their life easier, watch this video. Get loan. I mean, totally possible. So I'm not going to argue about this. My key support right now on both yes and Q is going to be over here and over here. As long as we hold this support area, we will go up. So in July, I will start streaming PM session as well. So it's going to be 3 times a week AM session and 2 times a week PM session for now. In July. Yeah. Also, beginning of July is my birthday, so it's going to be week of giveaways, crazy giveaways. So my birthday on July 8th is going to be Tuesday. So from Tuesday to Friday, I will do giveaway every day. Not just one account. It's going to be lots of different stuff. What else? What else do I want to say? Once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway today. So, guys, hit the like. Hit the like, guys. So once again, on both yes, on both yes and Q, that's going to be my support area. And if it's going to be broken for some magical reason, we will sell. Just for now, need to see how we can play with this area. It doesn't mean like we pump from this unicorn. No, not really. But as long as we hold this area, I'm bullish. So we got low resistance to upside, in my humble opinion, guys. So for now on gold, I like absolutely nothing. Just disappointed I missed like great trade. Not really missed. In real time, it didn't look that nice. So nothing is going on so far. We have potential sweep, but once again, no order block, no closure, but nothing yet. We don't have order block. I mean, we have perfect sweep on 30-minute chart, but I don't really see perfect order block just yet. It can be... No, nothing. So this low wasn't taken by this down close. Yeah, it's going to be somewhere right here. I don't like it. Just for now. Okay, happy with my one trade so far. I hope to get something maybe on Q. Need a trader? Yes. What is your complaint? I can even see this right now. Let me... Which instrument? It's in Q? Let me check MNQ because I didn't open MNQ today on Ninja Trader. It's okay on my side. Now, well, I just opened M&Q for you to show you. As you can see, I'm moving. Oh, I need to. Okay, leader account is going to be take profit trader today. Why cannot? Oh, okay, here we are. So once again, it works for me. Maybe just the start you need a trader. Seems like it's good on my side. So I see low resistance to upside, and I don't really mind to see at least this buy side liquidity on NQ. Also, we have, as I said before, unicorn setup. So let's see if my, oops guys, I'm so sorry, pump to this buy side at least. Preferable to London high, of course, but at least the first buy side liquidity level. Okay, let me, yes, okay. That's hourly, well. 30-minute and 4 chart, well, perfect. So once again, this week I will post new video about indicators, how I use indicators. I will show settings, best settings that works for me. So you don't need to ask questions for, it's just going to be video. So you will not ask me like, show me settings for SMT. And guys, trust me, someone today will ask settings for SMT indicator. Just trust me. I feel this. Good morning, guys. So 9:08, nothing significant happened just yet. I see some volatility right now. I guess something happened. Otherwise, you will not see this volatility. Nice pump. Nothing happened on gold, but interesting happened on CL. This means something with, probably with war related. I see a question about SMT indicator settings. I will record separate videos this week. I will show every single indicator that I use. It's going to be 3 indicators once again, and it's not going to be signal indicators. It's just going to be indicators explain, for example, high time candles, SMT, how I use this. Oh, so don't forget your stop. I'm not in trade, so nothing to worry about. Yeah, just SMT. Okay. I will show this one time today because every single stream, people ask me at least 10 times to show SMT indicators, indicator settings. Watch this. Oh, you're not talking with me? I didn't see the person who you were talking. Okay. Does it work? It should. So it's SMT indicator. Just, I guess all you need to do, just find pair like this. Yes, it works. It's okay. I guess he didn't mean to be rude, so don't worry. Yeah, you can pair, of course. Just pick right here. Game plan for today. Not like solid plan, but I believe if it's going to break, let me switch on 5-minute chart. 5-minute fair value gap, which I consider as support, we should sell hard. Like hard. Because that's, in my opinion, support so far. If going to hold this support, I don't know, like we will see. It's Monday. I don't have bias on Monday. Normally. Armenia. Yes, actually, husband of my mom from Armenia. So yeah. Yes, that's cool. Nice guy, by the way. So below only 5, if it's going to invert 5 minutes for a value gap, so at this point, yes, I will look for potential short. I get my, you want to short, okay, you said you want to short right now on Q, a reason. I mean, I'm not saying like it will not work. Probably it will work. I don't know. If it's going to invert 5 minutes for a value gap, I will look for probably short, continuation lower. Who actually knows? I am not Masha, I'm Dasha, but it's okay. We have PMI data today. By the way, I forgot to check news at all. I'm going to check this right now. Right now. Guys, how was your weekend? Share with me. Oh yeah, we have 9:45 news. We have 10 a.m. news. Yes, about news. Yes, preferably to wait for 9:45. I don't really want to trust 1 minute chart if you're talking about inversion for a value gap. I'm not saying like it will not work. Just don't want to trust this. Once again, as long as we're holding this 5 minute area, support area for a value gap, so I'm bullish to this buy side. Really need to invert this first, and I will change my mind to short. These war news. I mean, yeah. Yes, on gold we got 30-minute bullish SIP, potential SIP and 3-minute OB. Gold to 92 will be nice. I guess I deleted already. So basically potential SIP over here. We got OB. Like retracement, closer. So let's see. It's not break of structure just yet, so makes sense to put stop loss. 92. I would like to see 92. Once okay, actually it's a break of structure. I'm lying right now. I would like to see 92. 91 because we got flat candle. We got fair value gap. Hello guys, hello who just joined. What's the best firm to use? Depends on how profitable you are. You profitable? You're not profitable? Because if you're profitable, I guess best firm, in my humble opinion, is going to be Take Profit Trader because you can do payouts every day in your pro account. So my funded futures probably as well. Also Epics because you can trade up to 20 accounts. I mean, like, it's up to you. You need to try any other prop firm. I mean, every prop firm and pick what works for you better. So we got flat candle once again. We got some volume imbalance. We got break of structure to upside, basically bullish trend so far. I wouldn't say 50-50. Like A setup. Maybe not A plus, but A setup. Kind of like it. Okay. It's okay. I like it. Maybe something like this. It traces into fair value gap. Because it doesn't seem like it wants to be a breakaway gap, just for now. So preferably, I'm sorry guys, preferably to have order block with an framework for distribution range, right? What do I mean by this? Between open and low. So somewhere right here. So actually it fits our rule, right? Between open and close the candle. We call this like framework for distribution, right? If you ask me about like bias on NQ, I said like I don't have like good bias on Monday, but from what I just will try to react in real time. Since we have 5-minute fair value gap and see how we're trying to respect this. So I do like this. So 5-minute fair value gap is support for me. That's why I would like to see a reaction. As long as we hold in this area, we should take buy side at 924. What do you think about this? I mean, not really, you know? Like, not really. I still treat candlesticks on different instruments the same. So if it's going to be gold, I see setup and no matter what kind of news we are going to get, if the setup is valid, it's going to be valid. If I'm wrong, I will get stop loss, my stop loss. So it's okay. So I don't really care about news, honestly, because you probably want to agree with me. Market, no matter what kind of instrument it is, respecting levels, some sort of key levels, right? And hard for me to talk about news when reversing from key level, like mostly. So I don't really consider news. So basically in 5-minute chart, we have unicorn, as you can see. I would like to stay right now on NQ because it may actually offer 10-minute model. That's why I'm looking at NQ to try if it's going to offer something. Nothing yet, unfortunately. But once again, guys, it's Monday. You bearish for AM session. Totally possible. Totally possible. I said, as long as we stay inside this fair value gap, I would like to see buy side first. Totally possible to be wrong. I will change my mind for potential buy side liquidity move only if we invert 5-minute fair value gap. Because if we invert, we also break below 50% of 5-minute OB. So at this point, like, I will agree. Probably it's going to be a huge sell off. I'm just not ready to talk about this. Something definitely wrong with my monitor right now. With oil, actually you have options for oil SMT. For example, it can be RB, it can be HO, and I would say both works. So I cannot say for sure which one is better because both works. But for SMT between for SMT for CL, RB may work as well as HO may work. I don't know which one is better, guys. Can you say? Can you please tell me which one is better? Because I would say both works well. You use RB, which is absolutely fine. So for example, this sell-off happened. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. This sell-off happened because of we got strong, not because of, but we also got like perfect confirmation with SMT, RB SMT. So it also was nice. I use 5-minute chart just for information. See this? Perfect SMT. SMT order block confirmed, potential sweep on hourly. Let's sell off the. You don't trade CL? You're missing something. Definitely recommend to try to trade CL. because in my opinion, CL not that hard to trade this with mini, 1 mini for example, because stop loss normally less than 30 cents, right? Less than $300 with 1 mini. Usually on the stock, come on. We have really hard relationship right now with NQ. Are you serious? Guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. Finally. My monitor come back. Here we go. What is my insight for NQ? I already said that. So in my opinion, as long as we stay, not right there. Give me 1 second. As long as we stay inside or above this 5-minute fair value gap, I would like to see buy side taken. In order to change my mind, I would like to see inversion fair value gap first. At this point, we will sell hard. I just cannot invalidate this yet. This long bias yet. Nothing invalidates this. Sold reaction from 5-minute fair value gap. It's okay. Thank you for allowing me to do this. But yeah. I'm from Belarus. We have some accent. Not sure. Okay, yeah. When I was trying to pass my evaluation Apex, I passed this for 1 day. I passed this quickly, but I traded 3 minutes. So 3 minutes. I cannot say like I full pour this. It's regular size for some people. From where? From Belarus. You can Google this if you want. Exactly. Exactly. So right now we have low resistance on both sides, and as you can see, basically we have, some people call this like triangle, but maybe. Exactly, one good trade. That's why I'm like happy. I already got one perfect trade today for pre-market. Like chilling right now. Let's see if may hold this fair value gap to continue going higher. I'm going to move this obviously. We'll keep you updated with gold. Keeping my eyes right now on this. Don't really want to have second trade for the day, but I don't mind. It's okay. I took just one trade today. I posted executions on Twitter just for your information. Just one. I mean, I don't drink coffee every day. Like 3 times a week. Just 1 cup. That a lot? I guess no. I passed this for 1 day using just 3 minutes and 1 trade. Basically, I was aiming for 55 points. And when I was passing these accounts, 20 accounts, It was quick because we got news or something like this, but it wasn't like full port at 8 a.m. news. It was after 10 a.m. I remember, but I guess someone said something. It was volatility. I wouldn't say like it's 2R because we have trading drawdown. It was just, I saw setup, I entered this trade. Don't remember what kind of trade it was. And that's it. So it was just quick delivery. It just went in my favor immediately, so no complaints. Of course, I could lose. Just went in my favor. I was happy to see this. Yeah, 20 accounts. Just copy across all your accounts. So let's see if my invert is 5-minute fair value gap. I will change my bias to short. And probably below this level, I will look for a move like this. Let's see. Don't want to be in rush right now, you know. Yeah, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. Once again, only will be interested in short in market and Q once we invert 5-minute fair value gap. That's it. No other interest in shorting. I just don't want to be first seller right now. Totally fine to be wrong once again. Just, I guess, better to enter second stage of the distribution at this point, which is going to be somewhere right here. London is fine, especially if you trade CL, maybe Forex, maybe gold. Absolutely nothing wrong with trading during London. Just it's 2 a.m. In my country. I prefer to sleep at 2 a.m. I'm so sorry, so I cannot trade. So London kill zone between 2 and 5 a.m. So yeah, that's night actually. Like solid night. Which it's USA. I live in Florida, so just guys. I cannot say like we did trade it above hourly open, like mostly consolidate. I don't see 2-minute model just yet. Okay, guys, market is open. Be careful right now. Exactly same plan on ES. If my invert 5-minute fair value gap should break below New York midnight open immediately. So I would say exactly same plan. Inversion, short to New York midnight open, and hourly OB even lower. I would say something like this. Yes, we have news at 9:45 exactly. I don't use kill zones for gold. Just it doesn't work for me. I can be wrong once again, just doesn't work for me. I don't really need to have, kill zones for gold because I guess for gold I only use order block as entry and sweeps, potential sweeps. That's all I need, just like 2 candles. Because I'm not looking for like huge moves. I call this like scalps, more like scalps. Someone was calling me. Who is this? Oh, spam, of course. So I'm looking for 2R, which I call mostly like scalp. For example, over here or over here, it's no, It's not scalp. It's scalp, like 2R. Like scalp trades. See? I'm not aiming for liquidity levels. I'm not aiming for opposite PD race. I mean, normally I have this as target, maybe for runner, but not for full TP, you know? Just trying to tell you guys, you don't need to. Guys, don't try to catch like 100 points. You don't need this. Just get your 2R and go away. Today is going to be a bit less than it was yesterday. Tomorrow is going to be better than it was yesterday or 2 days ago. But aim for 2R and be done for the day. Isn't that amazing? Just, yeah. Just all you need, guys, is just 2R. For example, even on CL today, I took 2R trade. That's it, and was done for the day. Normally, as you can see, just if I want to analyze all my trades that I took on gold, like 2R, see this? 2R, 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 2R. Amazing, 2R again. And even right now, for example, which was also on this team, it was 2R. Just 2R. And yes, that's mostly scalp. I didn't mean to trade in Q, so I missed nothing. I already made my money today. Shared executions on Twitter, so I got 80 cents on CL with 1 mini, so no complaints, I would say. Inversion fair value gap? What is inversion fair value gap? Forget about it, just straight move down. Why not? Inversion fair value gap. She asks for inversion fair value gap. Crazy woman. Fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. You're asking for too much, Dasha. Well, ES needs to go lower. So let's see. Okay, question right now, like real question. Yeah, asking for too much. Compare, for example, gold or NNQ. Just like real question. Which one is better to trade? Easier to trade. Okay, not better to trade. Easier to trade. I would say maybe gold. It's not only about gold trade, by the way, 2R. Normally, I aim for 2R on CL as well, or NQ or ES. Just easier to understand and follow model, for example. You said in Q, how is it even possible? It just straight moved down. Nope. It hit bottom of my arrow. See this? Anyway, I don't really mind to see ES also at New York Midnight Open. This means you will sell more on NQ. Where, let's see if we get any setups. At this point, I would say probably makes sense to look for projections. Nice, nice inversion fair value gap, so tradable. So tradable. I'm done with oil, so I don't know where we can go. Honestly. So I don't see good structure to upside just yet. Gold? What's wrong with gold? Guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. Let's go for this. Basically, so I have no idea where we can go. SMT with silver, SI if you trade futures. Look at ES. Yes, you got inversion on ES, but what I don't like right now, it failed to take New York midnight open. Guys, I already said, like, probably I will divorce with NQ at all. It's not really tradable anymore, especially for AM session. PM session is nice. That's why I would like to steam PM session for NQ. But let's be honest. That's crazy. But reaction from 2 and 2.5. 2 and 2.5, you normally can be a reversal retracement area. Where we can go? I mean, okay, like normally, if I want to talk about AMD, we got manipulation right now, right? I'm sorry, guys. Once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway, but... Okay, guys, you know, I was journaling my trades on CL and gold last week, and I noticed, like, I made just one loss on gold overall for 2 months, almost 2 months, trading gold and CL. Don't worry, once I said that I'm going to take another loss, but normally, like, that's crazy, right? So I still keep my trades on my chart just to see where I was wrong, where I was right, and I would like to show you my loss. It was on Tuesday, June 17, basically last week. I took this loss on gold, and you probably want to tell me, like, Dasha, you crazy? You were up like 8 points and you didn't move at break even. No, because for some magical reason I decided to say, like, it's not 1.5 R. I was like up 1.2 R. I was like, no, it's not 1.5 R. What I want to do with this information? Nothing. I will take full stop. Why not? Not only 30 minutes. I explained in my video it's hourly or 30 minutes. So normally hourly, but sometimes 30 minutes. For example, today, this model on gold was based on 30 minutes. Trade on CL that I took and shared executions on my Twitter was based on 5 minutes, but also exactly the same setup was on 3-minute chart. It's up to you. WTI, what is this? Oh, if you can help me, please, I will appreciate this if you can help me. So I backtested first 5 months of 2024. So you can backtest another 5 months or 7 months if you don't mind. Then I will start backtesting 2023. If you don't mind. So yeah, best setup, I normally call this like silver bullet between 7 and 9 a.m. Of course, it can happen early during London kill zone. Just need to find proper time for this. I don't want to talk about win rate. If you ask me about win rate for backtest, it's 69% based on yesterday backtesting as well, 69%. But just want to tell you, I backtested NQ as well, and for some magical reason, my best losses was on NQ. So I don't know if I decide to avoid executing on NQ, how good win rate is going to be. But I don't backtest every day, but I do backtest for 1-2 hours when I have time a day. For example, yesterday, only 30-minute backtest because I was with kids. Between Monday and Friday, I can backtest for 2 hours. It's available on my YouTube, guys. Every single strategy I'm talking about, you don't need to buy any courses. It's available on my YouTube. I share it completely for free. So even this model, you can... Okay, guys, just for information, would like to show you something. I'm sorry if I'm going to show someone's name. I'm so sorry about this, but... You know what I feel right? Sorry, guys, I will show someone's name. I'm so sorry about this. See, someone mentioned me with this model on CL, and like, I was, okay, that's model on CL. And right after this, I posted my executions, and this means I'm doing something really right. And here's my execution. This means people using exactly what I was explaining in my video. See this? I'm so sorry if I shown someone's name. I'm so sorry about this. If you can help me with backtesting, I will appreciate this a lot, guys, because we can collect data. If you can create, if you're going to book, guys, just quick note, if you're going to backtest this on TradeZella, create playbook first and add your backtest trades to this playbook. So you can share your playbook with available charts for those who has TradeZella as well. So everyone can see executions on chart. Remember what I said last or 2 weeks ago? If this model is not going to work for you, or you will not be able to find any model, any entry with this means I did something wrong in my video explaining this. But at least seems like people taking same trades that I take. What this means? Beautiful. Talking about, oh, I'm sorry, guys. I keep showing you. I don't really want to say that's garbage, but that's garbage. Yes, we want to enter at the open of next candle once we, for example, we got sequence. Sequence can be just one single candle. Guys, I highly recommend to follow my Twitter because normally I share every single information there. So even for yesterday, or subscribe. Oh, by the way, you can subscribe to my newsletter because I normally send all information there about models. Okay, I will show you real quick because so far we have kind of garbage price action in Q. Copy. We'll show you 2 pictures because that's very important to talk about this. So we want to trade inside framework for distribution. This means we want to look for long below candle open. We want to look for short above candle open. For example, we got potential sweep. Of course, we cannot say for sure if it's sweep or not. But what happened? What is going to happen on lower time frame? On lower time frame, we should get the structure. This means inside this framework for distribution between open and high of this candle, you should get lower time frame order block. So we have high time frame level. It can be any high time frame level. Liquidity, fair value gap, order block. Just preferably to have high time frame level in premium and short back to discount. Potential hourly or 30-minute sweep. Entry is going to be using time frame alignment chart 30-minute, 3-minute, hourly 5-minute. Entry is open of next candle 2 hour. If you subscribe to my newsletter on my website, I normally send emails every week with useful information. And I sent this last week as well, explain this model. If you receive this, that's nice. Yeah, I know I have lots of fakes on Twitter, unfortunately. Impossible to avoid them. Yes, preferable to enter short above open of hourly candle. Exactly. So basically, the range between open and high of hourly candle is going to be framework for distribution. We want to short this. And you nonsense, exactly. Garbage. Going to ask this again. Gold? Maybe CL? Or NQ? What would you choose? What would you pick? That's so hard question. I'm going to be honest with you guys right now. If I would continue trading with NQ, I would probably already blow my accounts. How is it possible to hate gold? Just tell me. NQ for now? Well, we got reclaimed for a value gap just for now. I don't know, like, maybe it's just kind of hard for me to be bearish just for now, honestly. Maybe I would like to see something like this. NQ easy. See how different people are. So it's, for me, NQ is garbage. Okay, I'm going to share this with you guys because that's funny. For me, scalp in Q is way more harder than make like 100 points. I cannot trade. I cannot make 10 points on NQ. I even cannot find setup for 10 points on NQ. But for example, I can see setup for at least 100 points. And I'm like, how people won't scalp NQ? I can be wrong. For example, NQ, even like January, February was nice. Like no complaints, but so you guys, I know lots of drawings on my chart. It's already annoying even for me. Let me hide some levels. Mm-hmm. Oh, well, classic power of 3. I don't really watch weeks, but lots of people told me, like, Dasha, you need to watch this. If it's below 15 or something like this, or 18, it's normally garbage on NQ. Am I saying this right? I'm not sure about what level it should be to say, like, it's garbage. Exactly. Why I highlighted this? Because clearly it's empty model, but with stop loss 120 points. Beautiful. What can be better than 120 point stop loss? I was looking for potential trace into this BPR. It could reduce stop loss, but painful. Okay. Obviously no trade idea right now. I'm just watching. Cannot recommend to enter this trade because it's in deep premium right now. I'm just looking if it wants to be propulsion block. There's down close candle. Can we respect this propulsion block by pushing higher? Guys, what do you think about this? I would say this is extremely aggressive entry, kind of no interest in trading this propulsion block. But since we got huge displacement down with propulsion block right here, I'm just trying to see what candle I can use for continuation. It's not even trade idea, guys. It's just something. I kind of just not ready to call this continuation. It just, I would say nothing probably. You always know where market wants to go, but you cannot find entry. I guess you're not alone. See how close we are to London high on a yes? Definitely it's power of 3. See this? Guys, I don't recommend to enter this long because it's not even trade idea. It's just probable analysis. Just opinion about potential continuation. But once again, I'm not ready to call this continuation. It's something crazy, right? Just cannot recommend to enter this trade as even like B plus setup or C plus. It's just something. Yes, exactly. So just for now, it looks absolutely ugly as a garbage. I was just thinking about if it wants to be continuation higher for some magical and stupid reason, how well we can respect propulsion block. 15. Can you please give me the price for 15-minute fair value game so I don't need to highlight this? I will just look how far this away from potential to our trade. Once again, I'm not in this trade. I'm just watching this. No, I'm not on this trade, guys. I will even show you. I'm not on this trade right now. I'm just watching. It just opinion how I anticipate to see continuation. It's not even trade idea. Just to see how we can expect propulsion block on this low swing low over here. By the way, seems like we got 9:45 a.m. news, which was also high impact news. Where is volatility? Where is volatility? Where is volatility? I just once again not ready to call this like hyperability trade because it's just in deep premium and right above original consolidation, which is once again seems like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but I just don't want to recommend you to enter this trade and consider this a trade idea. Oh, yeah. We have, medium pack news at 10. Maybe it will offer some volatility. Yes. Yes, exactly. Guys, quick announcements. Since we have 700 people right now, quick announcements. So daily giveaways, once we hit 400 likes, is going to be once again daily. I will do take profit trader giveaway, accounts giveaway. Why? Because it's best perform ever, in my humble opinion. Second announcement, this week I will post new video. I will share my indicator. It's not my indicators. I will share recommended indicators, ICT indicators, how to trade them, what settings for them. And last announcement, my birthday in July 8th, and it's going to be Tuesday. From Tuesday to Friday, I will do giveaway every day. From July 8th and July 10, 11, and July 11. Indicators is going to be free, exactly. From July 8th to July 11, it's going to be giveaways every day, not just one account. It's going to be better giveaways, just one account. But for daily giveaways, it's going to be just one account. Daily giveaways, we hit 400 likes. I will go for. You didn't get. Oh, that's interesting. Probably that's because it was weekend. I will check this for you. Don't worry, you will get this. That's pretty much it. Oh, you're welcome. So my bad. Probably because it was weekend. How many accounts on birthday? A lot. For today, I will do take profit trader, yes. So you have a chance to win this every day. It's big 28. Yes, I took some trades. Perfect trade on CL, for example. It was by the way pre-market. I share executions on Twitter because people for some magical reason called me like I'm hindsight trader. I said like, of course. Guys, let's stop saying gold is amazing and clean because every single time when I say this, you know what is going to happen? Consolidation. But gold was clearly amazing. Beautiful chart. Yes. And once again, if you just look for history of my trades, I normally go for 2R. Even today, 2R. We went way more than 2R, but once again, do we need more than 2R? I don't think so. So yes, once we hit 400 likes, you will need to create account with provided link. I will provide link for you guys to create account. So don't create this just for now. I will provide you link to create account. And yes, that's it. That's all you need to do. Even inside consolidation, gold is better than NQ. Unfortunately. Okay, yes, took London high. We got another propulsion block, you know. How we can respect that? So I would like to see higher, guys. I know, like, Guys, if you didn't watch my new video, I highly recommend to watch this because I swear to God, you will find the model tomorrow, and you will tell me thank you. I swear to God. For CL or NQ, let me send this in the chat right now. Guys, if you missed my new video about how to trade gold in CL, once again, I share completely free information. I don't ask for any money, anything. Just watch this video. You probably want to ask me why I posted this twice. That's a great question. I posted this again yesterday because right now you have options to pick any language you like to watch this. So YouTube added perfect option. So for example, if you, let's say, a Spanish speaker, right now you just can switch from English to Spanish and it's going to be Spanish video or any other video. Unfortunately, there is no Russian. I was like, it's Russian accent. I just need to see how it's going to sound in Russian, but there is no Russian option. I was like, no. So don't ask me questions about gold model because I just share the link. I know it's 25 minutes video, but guys, please take your time, find 25 minutes and watch this. Please. It will help you. I swear to God, it will help you. Because guys, I shared everything I know. Didn't hide anything. Just everything I know. You have to check other languages. Of course, what kind of prop firm allows in your country, but it's going to be futures prop firm, just for your information. What kind of prop firm you would like to get? Belarusian language. So there is no option to add Belarusian language as well. I swear to God, guys, you'll tell me thank you. If not tomorrow, but next week. Because if you're not going to find entry with models that I shared with you guys, this means I did something wrong, not you. Once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. My fan users, of course, then. No problem. Of course, it wasn't me talking about in Spanish. But still, it's a great option in my opinion. Okay, guys, it's 10 a.m. We got silver bullet time. Japanese, yeah, exactly, right? Crazy. Height of frame. Oh, basically, you asked me about top-down analysis, right? How I use height of frame charts, medium time frame charts, low time frame charts. So yeah, of course. Let me take a note because that's actually a great idea. Where's my pencil? Anyway, next video is going to be about. I guess it's not him, don't worry. This week video is going to be about ICT height of frame candles indicator SMT. So basically, I just will show you settings. Indicators. But you ask about top-down analysis, right? Guys, let's hit 400 likes to do giveaway. Yeah, it's it will be included in time frame alignment chart. So yes, that's a great idea. I have guys, any other ideas? So because I was thinking about creating more content on YouTube, and I already have like high time frame indicators, not high time frame, just 3 indicators. Any ideas? Top-down analysis. What else? Journaling. I mean, yeah, that's a great video. It was just like more ICT stuff. What kind of ICT stuff you would like to get? That's the question. Because I already have like silver bullet, I already have market maker model video, how to build intraday bias. What else do I have? Standard deviation projections. What else? I have lots of videos. You would like to see 22K? Possibly. I would like to see this as well. Swing points. A great video. Great point. I already have, by the way, webinar about this, but it's not available on YouTube. Absolutely ugly propulsion block, but solid reaction. How I use it's going to be in this in new videos that I'm going to post this week. Well, we respected propulsion block so well, another propulsion block so well. Seems like yeah, and Q just in every single bullish PD and lower time frame. Cannot say for sure about 1 minute chart because I don't really trust 1 minute chart. But talking about 2-minute chart, it was nice. How to deprogram? I don't know. I know. Once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway, guys. Just go for this. Okay, next video is going to be about top-down analysis. So I will create a video about this. So for daily giveaways, yes, it's going to be just one account. But as I said, my birthday is going to be in July 8th. So I will do more giveaways. It's going to be not just one account. It's not going to be even 5 accounts. It's going to be way more. It's possible to be bullish. Yes. War like this, like we have right now, not really. I mean, that's definitely bearish for market, but not really bearish. It's not bearish for technology market. So, yeah. Confusion. Confusion. You said you shorted gold. Okay. Okay, obviously it's not 3-minute chart setup. Crazy. Okay, let's highlight this in hindsight, but hindsight, guys, just don't be rude about this. To see if it offered 2R. Not yet. It's not play out yet. 2R based on hourly sweep. 2R is it's hindsight once again trade. I didn't even check this in real time. I'm sorry, guys. So, but If you took this, then perfect. I'm so happy for you. Yes, it's valid, of course. You took this? Yeah, you said empty model play out, but it was absolutely ugly, in my opinion. Why it was ugly in terms of entry? But if I want to use propulsion block, once again, in real time, you saw this. It wasn't that perfect. Um, it could be better, but still 2 hours, so no complaints. Oh, you ended. Oh, you got absolutely amazing entry. Can you please share? Nothing to share. So I got it. So you got nice entry, but once again, so far it offered less than, oh, actually 1.5 hour. It's break even. Move at break even then. 1.5 hour means break even. Guys, let's do 80 more likes and we'll do giveaway. But once again, it's break even. Just keep in mind, once you hit 1.5 hour, you want to move at break even no matter what. You know, you just need to accept this. If you're going to aim for 2 hour only, you just need to understand most likely it will divorce from your 2 hour or just continue bouncing another 100 points. You just need to accept that according to your risk management plan, you need to aim for 2 hour. That's it. What will happen right after this? Who cares? Of course, you can leave your on your one micro, for example, and just leave it. But let's be honest. I prefer to close 2 hour and be done for the day. But once again, since we hit 1.5 hour on gold, highly recommend to move at break even. Not financial advice, of course, just highly recommend to do this. Guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. 3 hour. See, like everyone is different. 2 hour for me. No complaints. Hello, hello. Yeah, partial space, of course. If you see, for example, on this way up, for example, let's talk about this. You could take partial somewhere right here. For example, let's say you're in with 5 micros, you can take 1 micro at these liquidity levels. No one is going to kill you for this. So in July, we'll stream PM and AM session. PM for obviously foreign Q. Oh, see, like everyone is different, so I'm not going to talk about who took break even at 1 hour. So I would say personal preference, but personally, I prefer, for example, if we got 1.5 hour. So what I want to do, I move at break even. That's why I was like, my loss was crazy over here because it was 1.2 hour. It wasn't 1.5 hour. Of course, I could move at break even, but I took full stop loss. It is what it is. So you want to try? This is what I do. Highly recommend to do this as well. How do you measure it's easy, by the way. For example, it's right there. So I see we got propulsion block. For example, I want to open at the open of next candle, like we got highlighted right here. I will move my stop loss. I put my stop loss at swing low, which was another potential order block. So below this swing low, and I'm going to aim for 2R. So basically, I need to make twice of my stop loss. 1, 2. That's it. So basically, this, if it's like easy language, so you need to make twice, like 1. Sorry, I know that's easy, but for some people that's hard to understand. 2. Twice of your stop loss, if it makes sense. I'm from Belarus. I have 2 kids. You will not believe me. I'm not 16. I'm not even 20. I'm not even 20. I'm not 5 anymore. Well, guys, let's be focused a bit right now. Oh yeah, Tradified, exactly. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's 30% right now. New people, so I'm looking like 16. That's nice. Isn't it nice, guys? Imagine how I'm going to look like when I'm going to be 40. Like 30, maybe. Trade every day if you see setup. If someone told me, like, told you, like, don't trade today if you see setup. Okay, let's see where we can go next. I know that's going to be bad to say, but this war news that we got this weekend is more bullish than bearish, especially for technology market. That's why we can push all the way up to previous week high level. I know imagine how many people shorted at the open and what happened at the open. We just pumped. Once again, news that we got for this war is more bullish for technology market, and it's easy to see all-time high on NQ at this point. I know that's bad to say, but it's bullish, more bullish than bearish overall. Like maybe not for NQ, but you got it. So I know that's bad to say. From Belarus. So I just cannot say like I'm looking for sure just for now because I don't really know where we can drop. Because once again, news more bullish. I know it's more, it's bearish, but it's bullish. Sounds crazy. Yeah. So you said 163 is equal highs. Equal highs. We have previous. I mean, it's even possible to see previous week high level. No. Let's see what we can anticipate next. No, let's start from high time frame. Let's see what level we expected. I wouldn't say like we expected something important just yet. Let me delete this line. Yeah, we have hourly inversion as potential level for the action. Let's see. What time is this? Guys, let's do 60 more likes. I will do giveaway. Yeah, I have 2 key levels right now for a move up. Maybe that's a lot to ask. I mean, obviously that's first one. Then second one is going to be 50% of this week. I'm not sure we can hit this today. Maybe hourly inversion, which is 22K. What does this mean? It's like psychological level, right? So let's see if my retrace to pump there again. What do you think about this, guys? Makes sense? Okay, we got flat. Maybe something like this. Yes, I would say probably. I cannot say for sure. I don't know. I cannot see the future. But probably this bearish move is going to be just retracements. Probably. What I would like to see, maybe slightly lower. We got also a couple of flat candles, but can we please? I'm going to remove. I don't need this anymore. Need to clean a bit. Also interesting take how unicorn on 5-minute chart was broken on NQ but never broken on ES. You said bullish on gold. Let's see. So we're still trying to respect 5-minute fair value gap. I just not interested in longs just yet. Even like from original entries that I have to take, I didn't take this obviously. It's not even break even. So it just doesn't really make sense right now to short in Q. Yeah, it just feels like more bullish. Which trade copier? I will send you a link right now. Guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. We're so close to this, so let's do this and. Have you ever traded crypto? I mean, I'm a long-term investor, so I cannot say like I trade crypto. Not really. Yet more than 20 accounts. I have rhythmic connection with Epix, and I can connect as many as I want TradeWeight accounts. Okay, pumping without retracement, so no entry for me. I want to trade continuation, but as you can see, nothing to enter. I mean, just trade move up with minor retracements. Okay. No complaints, just okay. So send the link in the chat for my copier if you're interested in this. I guess lots of people use this, so. I recommend because no complaints about this. I know Apex has copier, I never try this. You want to see 080? What level do we have there? Oh, yes, I would like to see this as well. Yeah, maybe. I just don't see, I consider this as liquidity level. You know, even ICT said when we have huge weeks, this means 50% can be liquidity level. Maybe that's like not extremely right to say that, but 50% of hourly week is going to be my buy side liquidity. Not CFD, it's futures prop firm. But I believe you can do this as well. Just I never tried CFD, so cannot say something about this. Guys, let's do 20 more likes. I will do giveaway, please. Faster. Oh, that's okay. That's brilliant then. 20 more likes. I will do giveaway. We all want this. Let's do, guys. 16 more likes. Yes. So just if you're going to get Replikanto, I have one note. They allow to trade only one rhythmic connection in your trader machine, which means your license allows to trade one rhythmic connection and as many as you want TradeWeight connections. For example, I got rhythmic connection with Epix. So if I'm going to connect my Epix accounts right now, I cannot connect any other rhythmic connection from different prop firms. I can connect TradeWeight. So for example, I have only rhythmic with Epix and any other prop firms TradeWeight. Just for information. Guys, I'm going to do giveaway right now. So before I send the link, you need, just listen careful, not in the chat. Once you click the form, any number between 1 and 99 in the chat, in the form, not in the chat. Listen careful. You listen, right? In the chat. Not in the chat. Wait. Fill this form. Not that fast. Fill this form. Right now, give me 1 second. I'm going to pin this message. Of course, everyone going to send this right now in the chat. Guys, I pinned the message in the chat. Don't type this in the chat. Fill the form. We're all smart, right? I see. Fill this form and type any number between... Yes, of course. Smart people. Yeah, I see this. Good job. Oh my God. It's okay. I'm not going to say that you need to fill form. So guys, you have more opportunities. Who listens to me right now? Fill the form, not in the chat. Yeah, so guys, you have more opportunities. People doesn't want to listen, so you have more chance right now. Good luck. It's daycare center. Exactly, so yeah. Okay, what time is this? I will give you 3 more minutes. Any number between 1 and 99, guys. You ready to win? 2 more minutes. You're doing good, guys. You're doing good. Definitely good. Oops. Going to move right now. Closes. Okay, guys. 1 more minute to enter giveaway. I pinned the message in the chat. You will see the form there. Here's the number. Who knows? Once again, any number between 1 and 99 in the form. See, guys, that's why you need to listen. Using your ears, right? Listen. Fill the form, not in the chat. Put a number between 1 and 99. It's so simple. Extremely simple. Just need to listen. It's not that hard. Okay, announcing winners. Okay, once again, your task was extremely easy. Just any number between 1 and 99 in the form, not in the chat. This means between 1 and 99, we are going to pick one winner for today. Tomorrow, I will do another giveaway. That's easy. And today's winner is 85. Then we go to the form. Control F. 85. And the winner is... You cannot be winner twice. Daniel, are you serious? So let's do another chance. Daniel, don't you mind if you're going to pick another one? I know. Don't you mind if you pick another one? Again, perfect. Thank you. Another one. 41. It's impossible. You like it, so I never was like you. How's it possible? 41. We don't have 41. Are you serious? Okay, another one. Thank you. 75. Crazy. Oh, we have 71. Oh, yeah. We got a winner. Oops. Oh, you 70. I'm so sorry. So we got a winner. Winner. Congratulations. Oh, that's you? Oh, wow. Congratulations. Good job. So we got 75. Oh, you was 70. I'm so sorry. So oh, I mean, first guy was... I'm going to send you right now. So it's fair, guys. He was number 25. Oh, 20. No, 24. So that's fair enough, guys. He was first. His number was 24 in the form. And we got almost 400 people participated in this. Second kid today. It's okay. We will try again tomorrow. It's okay. Okay, I'm going to send you account then. Good job. Highlighted you as winner right now. Good job. You're welcome. So your task right now to pass this and do daily payouts. So that's why I do giveaway, take profit trade giveaways, because you can pass this and do daily payouts with this. You don't need to wait for 5 days, 7 days to get payout. I'm not surprised at all. It's not 5K accounts, it's 50K account. Maybe I will do 150K. Just 150K, this is what I trade right now. It's just harder to pass. Maybe I will do 150K. Guys, what do you think about 150K? You like this? Because so far I'm doing 50K accounts, but 150K, you need to make $9,000 to pass this. But you have bigger room to trade, for example, more contracts. 150. Yeah, let's do maybe next week couple of 150Ks as well. So I was my first attempt to trade 100K account was Elite Trader. It was like long time ago, maybe 3 years ago. I know, like I didn't really like this. I don't really like even 150K, but I still have it. Yes, all my accounts 50K, but take profit trader 150K. I just decided to try this. I mean, this works. Yeah, this means I will do couple of 150Ks this week. Yours did giveaway, so you're a bit late. I'm so sorry. Gold kind of stuck inside 5 million fair value gap so far. It's going to be, I guess it's going to be mail from me. You will get this, don't worry. Okay, let's pay attention right now because actually zero structure to downside right now. Even for retracement, I don't see any structure for retracement on NQNES. Still bullish. My drawn liquidity for today, I'm not sure if we are going to hit this 22K, I mean 50% of our day week, which is over here. That's my highest level. I'm not sure if we can hit this, but so normally I aim for 2R. Yeah, I can leave runner for more, but mostly never. Okay, guys, real question. Like, real question. Pretty sure if we are going to invert this right now, we can get continuation. We have SMT, we have potential breaker block. If it's going to be inversion with breaker block, should be unicorn to upside, continue going higher. Let's see. Guys, what do you think about this idea? Seems like time distortion right now to continue going higher. Just, I guess I would like to see inversion first. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not that right. Okay. I would say, yeah, I would say if it's going to offer inversion, it's going to be time distortion setup to continue going higher. Yeah, probably. At this point, I will highlight this projection. Cannot say for sure yet. We need to invert this first. Maybe. Only with inversion. Need to create inversion first. Once again, don't long right now because zero signs of long setup. But if it's going to offer inversion, this may actually offer distortion. Second stage of reaccumulation. Otherwise, just don't touch this. I mean, long buy button. Don't touch this. Fair value gap, not really. Sometimes it's going to be just straight move. But I would say breaker block with inversion may be enough. But we don't have it yet, so just distortion so far. But why I don't want to short this just yet? Let me hide drawings to show you. Just for now, I don't see any structure to downside. I mean, I need to get at least change in the state of derivative to anticipate this move. I cannot say like we have it, right? Distortion, if you just go on my YouTube, you'll find the video about market maker model. You will understand what is distortion. Consolidation, basically second stage of reaccumulation or redistribution. Second stage of market maker model. Yeah, just too short for me. I really need to get the structure. So I'm going to highlight this box. So this green candle, which is going to potential order block. We don't have it yet. So the video that I shared like this weekend about potential sweep is basically turtle soup. Yes, it's turtle soup. Just your entry is going to be in lower time frame. Once again, I didn't talk about continuation. I was talking about potential sweep. That's different from continuation. Basically, silver bullet is going to be first, and right after is going to be second stage, because I would say silver bullet is transition from first to second stage. At this point, we're looking for like second stage. It's already comes after silver bullet. So at this point, if it's going to be distortion, inversion will be enough with combination of breaker block. As you can see, we have absolutely nothing. Like, we cannot say like we bullish or bearish. We're just talking about current price action. It's already did enough for us. But if it may pump somewhere 22K, will be nice. We only long once again, only if it's going to offer inversion. We will not touch any longs right now. I mean, I don't know, I'm not going to touch this. Additional consolidation. So right now we have just power of 3, right? So distortion is over here. But since we have SMT between ES and NQ, probably that will be enough. Go to the moon. Maybe. God knows. You shorten. I mean, okay, if you see setup and short, good luck. Never going to say it's not going to work. Absolutely can work. Just I said not enough information to short because we don't have 5-minute OB for me. But if you scalper, like, no complaints. Take it. Call the market maker. I don't have their number. Do you have it? You want to see 606. Oh, 9. Okay, I was like, okay. Yes, makes sense. Agree with you. So at this point, we can get 5-minute structure to short this. Just where would you? I cannot short when zero structure to short for me. But where? Like, imagine I want to short this. Probably I would close my trade once we got inversion. Probably. I know. Like, let's see. Have you visited Dubai? No, never. One day, maybe. I hope so. You asked me where I'm from like 3 times. I answered it 3 times. You got more than long, okay. Look at yes. So NQ really struggling with shorting right now. This means not ready to short just yet. Just logically, to short once we got strong move up, probably that doesn't really make sense to use 1-minute chart. But what makes sense to me, I mean to short once again. For continuation, maybe that's fine. But for 5-minute chart and 5-minute OB will be enough to short this. So so far we have distortion high, which means once we can get inversion, it will hit immediately this level. I'm sorry, this level. Yeah, overall, ES is way better. Just right now looking on NQ simply because it's struggling with shorts right now. While ES looks like trying to respect some PD rays in lower time frame, bearish PD rays. That's why I'm like, probably need to get the structure on NQ, and at this point makes sense to short overall, like ES or NQ. But right now doesn't make sense to short NQ just yet. How's it going? First, hello. So far, so good. footprint. I mean, I'm not that good at this. I was trying to learn this, and I know one person who can teach me this, but still, it's still kind of hard for me because I don't want to, like, mix every single model concept in my brain, because probably it will make this worse than better. I wouldn't say today is better not to trade, because today it's already offered lots of different opportunities, I would say. Yeah. Once again, we got 1 minute inversion just right now. So first confirmation of continuation higher. I normally call this like immediate delivery, quick bounce to this distortion high. Let's see if my bounce to this distortion high, while ES still kind of bearish, but once again, NQ doesn't want to confirm the structure anyway. Just yet. See how we're trying to respect PD raise to downside so far. Oh, it's not order block actually yet. Expect to get straight move up to this dotted line. 1.5 daily fair value gap. I don't have this level on my chart, obviously. Daily. You short daily? Where is daily? Fair value gap. Oh, I got it. Seems like we already tested this before. Lines up with CPI high, no? No? Should take this. Must take this, no matter what. Oh, price range. Price label, please. Yes, no, sure. I already said that many times. So we took distortion high. So that's first key level. Like, I don't know, like key level. TP1. I don't know, like, if you can call this like TP1. Oh, don't enter. Of course, don't enter right now. Just be careful with this. Which indicator? Which one? If you want to watch this analysis for this trade, you can just watch. Once I finish the team, you can rewatch this. So we talk about this in real time. Once I finish, I will finish soon in 5 minutes. So you can rewatch this if you want. You know, once I stopped fighting this bullish bias, it became way easier to read the market. But how is it possible? Crazy, right? How is it even possible? But this week I will post new video. I hope you're going to enjoy this. Oh, I don't want to talk about war, you know, it's like hard topic for me. I'm not going to talk about this if you don't mind. It's about to overstructure. I'm going to use this one. It's about to overstructure on ES2 downside. See how we expected distortion highs? That's brilliant. So I will validate short once we can get order block. So basically at this point, I will validate short once we can get the closure below this low of this candle. Not this one, because that's high is higher. Okay. This one. So I will validate short at this point. Let's see if 5-minute candle can close, like 50 seconds left. Guys, I will finish in 3 minutes because I need to go, but you got my point. So we will validate short by using this 5-minute OB. So at this point, that will be enough to drop. Not drop, retrace. Where? So this flat candle, at least. We got first target. Let's see if main, of course, first get this order block. And that's pretty important to get the traction on 5-minute chart at least. Not just 1-minute chart. We don't have the structure just yet. Even, let me check 3-minute chart real quick. Even on 3-minute chart, still nothing. Once we can get the structure, so basically closure below this blue line should offer, yeah, I believe it should offer idea to short. Nothing yet. So guys, once again, I stream daily from 8:50 and until 11 a.m. So prefer to trade. Maybe I will start even early, maybe 8:40 a.m. because I would like to trade. Because most setup on gold happens before 8:30, unfortunately. So I need to probably even start early because I'm not sure how many people are going to attend at 8:20 if I'm going to enter the trade, you know? That's pretty much it, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to post new video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to watch new videos. So once again, I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't make stupid mistakes. Wait for the structure. So structure at this point is going to be invalidation of bullish structure is going to be only with closure below this blue line, in my opinion. I will see you guys tomorrow. If any questions, you can ask me on Twitter if you would like, or Instagram. It's up to you. I will see you tomorrow at 8:50, maybe a bit early, so I will do announcements about beginning of stream. So, guys, talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys.